everybody, it's Lori. Good morning. It's really early on a Saturday morning. It's my shot day. So I thought I'd show you my shot day. Uh, First thing I did was I washed my hands, uh, did the old happy birthday to me a couple times, washed them, they're nice and clean. Now I'm going to make sure that my surface is nice and clean. And it is, I'm going to take this off of face tracking, sorry. And adjust. You can see it here. There we go. So everything's nice and clean. So this is my medication here. So I'm trying to get the counter in. Very important to read the directions, check the date on it. This date is for, I think it's on the bottle here, 11/22/25 is the bud date. This is 50 units that I have to draw up. So you're not going to see my face because I'm going to put it down and take care of it. The first thing I'm going to do is here it is right here. Pull off the top. I'm going to grab alcohol. It's always good to have all your supplies ready here so you know what to do. I'm going to open the alcohol wipe. Get this nice and clean because you always want a nice clean area. Nice and clean. I'm going to grab my syringe. This one is 50 units. So I'm going to see right here, this is where 50 units are. Take off the protective pieces. I'm going to get my little plunger to 50. And put the needle in. Draw some air in. And draw back 50 units. Okay, so I have 50 units. I'm going to take another alcohol wipe. Checked my phone last time that I injected. I injected on the right side. So today I'm going to do it on the left side. Alcohol, 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 alcohol. Let it dry for a second. Squeeze a little bit. Put the needle in. Inject the medication. I don't like to do it too fast, and I like to leave it there a few seconds to make sure it's all in. Pull the needle out. I'm going to put the cap on just till I could dispose of it properly. And there you have it. Let me get my face tracking back on. Okay, there you have it. I took my shot basically the same time. Right now, let's see, it's like 4 in the morning. I have to leave for work in about an hour. So I usually take it between now and 4:30 on Saturday morning. And I'm going to go ahead And I'm going to put this back in here. Put it back in the refrigerator. And there you have it. That's what the shot consists of. Recommend doing it around the same time, same day, every week, just for consistency. Try not to forget a shot. The more consistent you are, the more consistent the medication is. And there you have it. That's how I gave myself my shot. I'll now log that I did it on the left middle part of my abdomen. And next week I'll do it on the lower part, which I call like 6 o'clock, because I do this like a clock. This week I'm going backwards. I did 12 o'clock, then I did 9 o'clock, then I'll do 6 o'clock, then I'll do 3 o'clock. And there you have it.